Hello students, today we are going to discuss chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise 3.6. Write down the first question. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them of a pair of linear equations. First one, 1 divided by 2x plus 1 divided by 3y equal to 2. And 1 divided by 3x plus 1 divided by 2y equal to 13 by 6. Solution. Listen first and second equation. 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equal to 2 and 1 by 3x plus 1 divided by 2y equal to 13 by 6. Both equation 1 by 1 divided by x is common and 1 by y also common. So take 1 by x equal to u and 1 divided by y equal to v. Now listen, 1 by 2x. So 1 by x equal to u. So u divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 3y. So 1 divided by y equal to v. So v divided by 3 equal to 2. Third equation. And listen, second equation, 1 divided by 3x. Already we know 1 by x equal to u. So u divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 2y. 1 by y equal to v. So 1 divided by y equal to v. So v divided by 2 equal to 13 by 6. So u by 2 plus v by 3 equal to third equation. U by 3 plus v by 2 equal to 13 by 6. Equation 4. Now multiplying both sides of both equations by 6, we get fifth equation 3u plus 2v equal to 12. Sixth equation 2u plus 3v equal to 13. So take LCM is 6. So multiply both sides is 6. Now multiply equation 5 by 3 and 6 by 2. 3 3s are 9u, 2 3s are 6, 12 3s are 36. Next 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 32s are 26. Now change the sign. So 9 minus 4 equal to 5u, 6 plus 6 minus 6 cancel, 36 minus 26 equal to 10. So 5u equal to 10. U equal to 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. U equal to 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. Now substitute u equal to 2 in equation 5. 6 plus 2v equal to 12. 2v equal to 12 minus 6 equal to 6. v equal to 3. But 1 by x equal to u, 1 by y equal to v. 1 by x equal to u value 2. So x equal to 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by y equal to 3. Y equal to 1 divided by 3. So x equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 3. 1 by x equal to u, 1 by y equal to v. X equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 3. Write down second question. 2 divided by root x plus 3 divided by root y equal to 2. 4 divided by root x minus 9 divided by root y equal to 1. Solution. 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equal to 2. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to minus 1. See the first and second equation. 1 by root x is common and 1 by root y also common. So let 1 by root x equal to u and 1 by root y equal to v. Now equations 2 by root x. So 2u plus 3 by root y equal to 3v equal to 2. Third equation. Next 4 by root x equal to 4u minus 9 divided by root y equal to 9v equal to minus 1. Fourth equation. So third equation 2u plus 3v equal to 2. Fourth equation 4u minus 9v equal to minus 1. Now multiply 2 in third equation. So 3 multiply equation 3 by 3 and adding the result to equation 4. 6u, 2 3s are 6u plus 3 3s are 9v equal to 6. Next to 4u minus 9v equal to minus 1. Now add 6 plus 4, 10u plus 9 minus 9 cancel. 6 minus 1, 5. So 10u equal to 5. U equal to 5 by 10. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 1 by 2. Now substituting u equal to 1 by 2 in equation 3, we get 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3v equal to 2. Multiply and divide, 2 2s are cancel. So 1 plus 3v equal to 2. 3v equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So v equal to 1 by 3. Now u equal to 1 by root x equal to 1 by 2. Root x equal to 2. So taking square on both sides, root x the whole square equal to x. 2 square equal to 4. Same ways v equal to 1 divided by root y equal to 1 by 3. So root y equal to 3. Taking squares, root y the whole square means y. 3 square equal to 9. So y equal to 9. Thus the solution is x equal to 4 and y equal to 9. Write down next question. 4 divided by x plus 3y equal to 14. 3 divided by x minus 4y equal to 23. This equation 1 by x is common on both equations. 1 divided by x. Solution. First equation 4 by x plus 3y equal to 14. Second equation 3 by x minus 4y equal to 23. So 1 by x is common on both equations. 1 by x equal to u. So 4 divided by x, 4u plus 3y equal to 14. Third equation, next 3 by x equal to 3u minus 4y equal to 23. Fourth equation. Multiply equation 3 in 4. So 4 4s are 16u plus 3 4s are 12y minus 4, equal to 4 into 4, 56. So next multiply 3 in 4 equation. 3 3s are 9u minus 4 3s are 12y equal to 23 into 3, 69. Now add 16 plus 9, 25u. 12 minus 12 cancel, 0. 56 plus 69, 125, 125. So 25u equal to 125. u equal to 125 divided by 5. 125 divided by 25. So u equal to 5. Now substituting in equation 3 or 4. Now u equal to 5 in equation 3. We get 4 into 5 plus 3y equal to 14. So 4 5s are 20. 20 come right side minus 20. 3y equal to 14 minus 20 equal to minus 6. So y equal to minus 6 divided by 3. 2 3s are 6. So y equal to minus 2. But u equal to 5. 1 divided by x equal to 5. So x equal to 1 by 5 and y equal to minus 2. Solution x equal to 1 by 5 and minus 2. Next question. 5 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by y minus 2 equal to 2 and 6 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 divided by y minus 2 equal to 1. Solution. We have 5 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by y minus 2 equal to first equation. 6 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 divided by y minus 2 equal to 1. Second equation. Let 1 divided by x minus 1 equal to u and 1 divided by y minus 2 equal to v. Both equations are 1 divided by x minus 1 and 1 divided by y minus 2 is 7. So 1 divided by x minus 1 equal to u and 1 divided by y minus 2 equal to v. Now substitute the equation 1 and 2. We have 5u plus v equal to 2. 6 divided by x minus 1, so 6u minus 3 divided by y minus 2, 3v equal to 1. Third and fourth equation. Multiplying 3 by 3 and then adding the result to equation 4. So 5 3s are 15. 3 v's are 3v, 2 3's are 6. 15u plus 3v equal to 6. Fourth equation, 6u minus 3v equal to 1. Now add 15u plus 6, 21u plus 3 minus 3 cancel. 6 plus 1, 7. So 21u equal to 7. U equal to 7 divided by 21 equal to 1 divided by 3. Now u equal to 1 by 3. Substitute the equation 3. 5 into 1 by 3 plus v equal to 2. So v equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. Cross multiply. 2 3's are 6 minus 5 divided by 3 equal to 1 by 3. But u equal to 1 divided by x minus 1, v equal to 1 divided by y minus 2. So 1 divided by x minus 1 equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiply. X minus 1 equal to 3. X equal to minus 1 come right side plus 1. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Same 1 by y minus 2 equal to 1 divided by 3. Y minus 2 equal to 3. Y equal to 3 plus 2, 5. Hence the solution x equal to 4 and y equal to 5. Write down next question. 7x minus 2y divided by xy equal to 5. 8x plus 7y divided by xy equal to 15. Solution. 7x minus 2y equal divided by xy equal to 5. Divide separately. 7x by xy minus 2y divided by xy equal to 5. X cancel, y cancel. So 7 divided by y minus 2 divided by x equal to 5. Write x variable minus 2 divided by x plus 7 by y equal to 5. Same second equation, 8x minus 7y divided by xy equal to 15. Divide by xy on both sides. 8x divided by xy plus 7y divided by xy equal to 5. So x cancel. 8 divided by y plus 7 divided by x equal to 15. Write in x variable 7 divided by x plus 8 by y equal to 15. So first equation minus 2 divided by x plus 7 by y equal to 5. Second equation 7x plus 8 divided by y equal to 15. Now take, let 1 by x equal to a and 1 by y equal to b. From the equation 1 we get 7b minus 2a equal to 5. So 7b equal to 5 plus 2a. b equal to 5 plus 2a divided by 7. Fourth equation. From the equation 2 we get 8b plus 7a equal to 15. Putting the value of b from equation 4, 8 into 5 plus 2a divided by 7 plus 7a equal to 15. Now multiply. 8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 16a plus 7 7s are 49 equal to 7 into 15. 7 into 15, 105. So 49a plus 16a equal to 65a equal to 105 minus 40 equal to 65. So a equal to 1. Putting the value of a in equation 4. b equal to 5 plus 2a. a value 1. So 2 into 1 divided by 7 equal to 1. 1 by x equal to 1. 1 by y equal to 1. So x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Next question. 6x plus 3y equal to 6xy. 2x plus 4y equal to 5xy. Write down the solution. Divide on both sides x, y, x into y. 6x divided by xy plus 3y divided by xy equal to 6xy divided by xy. X cancel, y cancel. Right side xy cancel. So 6 divided by y plus 3 divided by x equal to 6. Again divided by 3. 3 is common. So 1 3s are 3. So 1 divided by x, 2 3s are 6. 2 divided by y, 2 3s are 6. So 1 divided by x plus 2 divided by y equal to 2. First equation. and 2x plus 4y divide equal to 5xy. Same way, divide by xy on both sides. 2x divided by xy plus 4y divided by xy equal to 5xy divided by xy. So x cancel, 2 divided by y, next y cancel, 4 divided by x equal to 5. So 4 divided by x plus 2 divided by y equal to 5. Second equation. First equation, 1 divided by x plus 2 divided by y equal to 2. Second equation, 4 divided by x plus 2 divided by y equal to 5. Same way, both equations commons are 1 divided by x and 1 divided by y. So take subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by x equal to 5 minus 2. 4 minus x is common, so 4 minus 1, 3 divided by x equal to 3. 3 cancel, right side and left side 3 is common, cancel, so x equal to 1. Now substituting x equal to 1 in equation 1, we get 1 by 1 plus 2 divided by y equal to 2. So 2 divided by y equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So 2 divided by y equal to 1. So y equal to 2. So solution, y equal to and x equal to 1. Next question. 10 divided by x plus y plus 2 divided by x minus y equal to 4. 15 divided by x plus y and minus 5 divided by x minus y equal to minus 2. Solution, 10 divided by x plus y plus 2 divided by x minus y equal to 4. First equation, 15 divided by x plus y minus 5 divided by x minus y equal to minus 2. Second equation, take 1 divided by x plus y equal to u and 1 divided by x minus y equal to v. So we get first equation 10 divided by x plus y, so 10u plus 2 divided by x minus y, so 2v equal to 4. Second equation, 15 divided by x plus y, 15u minus 5 divided by x minus y, 5v equal to minus 2. Fourth equation. Now multiply equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 2 and adding the result. 10 into 5, 50u, 2 5s are 10v, 4 5s are 20. So 15u plus 10v equal to 20. Next 15 into 2, 30u minus 5 into 2, 10v equal to minus 4. Now add 50 plus 3, 30, 80u, 10 minus 10 cancel, 20 minus 4, 16. 80u equal to 16. So u equal to 16 divided by 80. 2 8s are 16, 10 8s are 80, 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. So 1 divided by 5. Now substituting u equal to 1 by 5 in equation 3. So we get 10 into 1 by 5 plus 2v equal to 4. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. So cancel, 2v equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2. v equal to 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. Thus u equal to 1 by 5 and v equal to 1. But u equal to 1 divided by x plus y and v equal to 1 divided by x minus y. So 1 divided by x plus y equal to 1 by 5. Now x plus y equal to 5. Next 1 divided by x minus y equal to 1. So x minus y equal to 1. So fifth equation, x plus y equal to 5 and sixth equation, x minus y equal to 1. Now adding equation 5 and 6, we get 2x plus 6. So x equal to 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. Now substituting x equal to 3 in equation 5, we get 3 plus y equal to 5. Y equal to 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So thus the solution is x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. Write down next question. One divided by 3x plus y plus 1 divided by 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4. and 1 divided by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 divided by 2 into 3x minus y equal to minus 1 by 8. Solution: 1 divided by 3x plus y plus 1 divided by 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4. Equation 1. Next, 1 divided by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 divided by 2 into 3x minus y equal to minus 1 by 8. Second equation. Listen, both equations are 1 divided by 3x plus y is common. Next, 1 divided by 3x minus y also common. So, 1 divided by 3x plus y equal to a and 1 divided by 3x minus y equal to b. So we get first equation 1 divided by 3x plus y. So a plus 1 divided by 3x minus y, a plus b equal to 3 by 4. Second equation, now cross multiply 4a plus 4b equal to 3. Third equation. Second equation 1 divided by 2 into 3x plus y. So a divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 into 3x minus y, b divided by 2 equal to minus 1 by 8. Now LCM 8. So 4a minus 4b equal to minus 1. Fourth equation, 4a minus 4b equal to minus 1. Now adding the equation 3 and 4, we get 4a plus 4a equal to 3 minus 1. So 8a equal to 2. A equal to 2 by 8, 1 by 4. Substituting a equal to 1 by 4 in equation 3, we get 4 into 1 by 4 plus 4b equal to 3. So 4 cancel 1. 4b equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So b equal to 2 divided by 4 equal to 1 by 2. But a equal to 1 divided by 3x plus y, b equal to 1 divided by 3x minus y. So 1 divided by 3x plus y equal to 1 by 4. Now cross multiply 3x plus y equal to 4. Equation 5. Next b equal to 1 divided by 3x minus y equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiply 3x minus y equal to 2. Sixth equation. Adding equation 5 and 6, we get 6x plus 6. 6x plus y minus y cancel, 4 plus 2 6. So 6x equal to 6, x equal to 6 divided by 6 equal to 1. Now substituting x equal to 1 in equation 5, we get 3 into 1 plus y equal to 4. So 3 into 1 3 plus y plus equal to 4. So y equal to 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So that's the solution, x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Adding equation 5 and 6, we get x equal to 1. Next substitute the equation 5. So we get y equal to 1. So the solution is x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Write down the next question. Question 2. Formulate the following problems as a pair of linear equations and hence find their solutions. First one of, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. Listen, upstream means minus only. Upstream means minus value. Downstream means plus value. Solution. Let Ritu's speed in still water x km per hour. Speed of current equal to y km per hour. During downstream speed equal to x plus y kilometer per hour. During upstream speed equal to x minus y kilometer per hour. According to the question, first condition, x plus y equal to 20 by 2. So downstream, both are downstream. So x plus y equal to 20 divided by 2 equal to 10. Second condition, upstream. So x minus y equal to 4 hours. So 4 divided by 2 2 hours 4 kilometer. So 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. So first one of downstream, so x plus y 20 kilometer 2 hours, so 20 divided by 2. Second condition, upstream x minus y 2 hours 4 kilometers, so 4 by 2 equal to 2. Second equation, adding first and second. First equation x plus y equal 10, second equation x minus y equal to 2. So plus y minus y is cancel, x plus x equal to 2x, 10 plus 2 12, 2x equal to 12. So x equal to 12 divided by 2 equal to 6. Putting x equal to 6 in equation 1, 6 plus y equal to 10, x plus y equal to 10, so 6 plus y equal to 10. So y equal to 10 minus 6 equal to 4. So x equal to 6 kilometer per hour, y equal to 4 kilometer per hour. So still water 6 kilometer, speed of current is 4 kilometer per hour. Write down the second question. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men had finished in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. Write down the solution. Let time taken one woman to finish the work equal to x days and time taken by one man to finish the work y days. According to the question, first condition 2 by x plus 5 by y equal to 1 by 4. One woman finished means x, one man finished work y. So 2 women and 5 men. So 2 by x plus 5 by y equal to 1 by 4. Second condition 3 women and 6 men. So 3 by x plus 6 by y equal to 1 by 3. Now operating 1 into 3. First equation into 3 minus second equation into 2. So first into 3, 2 into 3, 6. 5 3s are 15. So 6 by x plus 15 by y equal to 1 3s are 3 by 4. Second equation into 2. 3 into 2, 6x plus 6 into 2, 12y. 1 into 2, 2 by 3. Subtract first and second. 6 by x cancel. 15y minus 12 by y. 15 minus 12, 3 by y. 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. So now 3 by y equal to 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. Now take LCM 4 and 3. Otherwise cross multiply. 3 3s are 9 minus 4 2s are 8. So 9 minus 8 by 12. 3 by y equal to 9 minus 8 divided by 12. 9 minus 8 equal to 1 by 12. So cross multiply, y equal to 3 into 12, 36. Putting 36 in equation 1. 2 by x plus 5 by 6, 36 equal to 1 by 4. So 2 by x equal to 1 by 4 minus 5 by 36. 4 and 36 take LCM. LCM is 36. So 1 into 9, 9 minus 5 divided by 36. 9 minus 5, 4 divided by 36. So 2 by x equal to 4 by 36. Now cross multiply. Otherwise 4 divided by 36. 1 4s are 4, 9 4s are 36. So 1 4s are 4, 9 4s are 36. So 1 by 9 equal to 2 by x. Now cross multiply. 2 9s are 18 equal to x. So time taken one woman to finish the work 18 days. Time taken by one man to finish the work 36 days. Write down the next question. Ruhi travels that 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometer by train and the remaining by bus. If she travels 100 kilometer by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. Write down the solution. Let the speed of train x kilometer, speed of bus y kilometer. Total distance 300. So first condition, 60 by x plus 240 y equal to 4. So train traveled 244 kilometer, remaining 60 kilometer bus. So 60 divided by x plus 240 divided by y equal to 4. Second condition, 100 divided by x plus 200 by y equal to 4 plus 10 divided by 60. Total kilometer 4 plus 10 divided by 60. So 100 divided by x plus 200 by y, cross multiply, 0 0 cancel, so 6 there, 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 1 25 by 6. Now first equation into 100 minus second equation into 60. So 60 into 100, 6000 divided by x plus 240 into 100, 24,000 divided by y equal to 4 into 100, 400. Second equation into 60. 100 into 60, 6000 by x. 200 into 6, 12,000 divided by y. 25 into 60 divided by 6. So 250. First equation minus second equation. 6000 divided by x minus 6000 divided by x. Cancel. 24,000 minus 12,000 divided by y. So 24,000 minus 12,000, 12,000 divided by y. Next 400 minus 250 equal to 250. Now cross multiply, 12,000 by y equal to 150. Y into y equal to 12,000 divided by 150. Y equal to 12,000 divided by 150. 0 0 cancel. Again 5 table, 3 5s are 15. Next 2 5s are 10. 0 0. Next 3 table. So 8 3s are 24, remaining 0. So 80, y equal to 80 kilometer per hour. Putting y equal to 80 in equation 1, 60 divided by x plus 240 divided by 80 equal to 4. By 60 by x, 0 0 cancel, 1 8s are 8, 3 8s are 24. So 60 divided by x plus 3 equal to 4. 60 by x equal to 4 minus 3, 1. So x equal to 60. 1 into x, x equal to 60. X equal to 60 kilometer per hour. So speed of the train equal to 60 kilometer hour. Speed of the bus equal to 80 kilometer per hour. Speed of the train 60 kilometer per hour. Speed of the bus 80 kilometer per hour. Thank you.